Okay, so we're going to have a little bit of fun with Ivory soap and the ideal gas laws. What we've got right here is just regular old run-of-the-mill, fairly cheap Ivory bath soap. What I've done is I've cut out a piece that's about 1/6 of 1 bar. I've put it on this plate. We're going to pop it in the microwave for 30 seconds and see what happens. And here we go. Huh. Something's going on in there. Uh-oh. Okay, and you can see what we've got right here is a lot bigger than the original chunk of soap was. Now if you were able to feel this, you'd feel that I can tear a little piece off. This will crumble up into a powder, and it's still soap. The only difference is it's got an awful lot bigger. So here's your assignment. You need to get your own paper. You need to write me about half of a page explaining what you just saw happen. Remember, this is about the gas laws. I'll give you a big hint. With the microwave, what we did is we increased the temperature, which caused an increase in at least one other variable. You need to write me about half a page explaining what other variable was changed. Oh, kind of melted the plate there. What other variable was changed, and then tell me whose law explains the change that you saw. Good luck.